Whenever you're running a membership or association site, certifications, etc., one of the most important things that we've seen for a user, for them to be comfortable with their membership and the terms, is for them to be able to go see what their past purchases were. A lot of times they're just wanting to check and verify. They may want to actually go through a process of auditing or reviewing. They may have questions. And ultimately, whenever you're running a membership or association e-commerce site, it typically makes a lot of sense to automate as much as you possibly can. So the past purchases are a really helpful aspect of this. Now, one of the really interesting and important aspects of association and membership e-commerce is being able to take these purchases and incorporate them and integrate them into your ERP or accounting software as you scale up. So does your e-commerce platform have the ability to do that for you? Does it have the ability to integrate and export, import your data? In addition to this, one of the things that we commonly recommend very strongly to our clients whenever they migrate to a different association or membership platform is that they actually go through the process of bringing over as much data as they need and then a little bit more for their members so that their members have this historical data that's preserved across systems and upgrades to a newer and better system that you might be switching to. If this is something that you're doing, we strongly recommend that you make it part of the discussion to bring over that historical data and to make sure that you can also do things like interrogate the data and find out what the user's behavior is based on their purchases. You can highly leverage this to make the interaction that they have with your site, with your association or membership site, a much, much more powerful experience for them, and one that has them coming back to your site over and over. If you're able to look at their behavior, not just their past purchases, but also their interaction with the site and tie those things together, well, you can have a very powerful feedback loop that is truly proven within the industry leaders and with up and coming vendors like Clarity who focus on this day to day. Ultimately, we encourage you whenever you're looking at the past purchases and just generally your user's dashboard for association and membership e-commerce, please ask yourself, where are you going in 3 to 5 years? And how can you sort of leverage this aspect to improve self-service for your users and make it much more optimal for them? And it's not just about presenting more information, it's about presenting only what's needed as precisely as possible based on the data. The more that you can do that, the more value you're going to bring, and it's going to turn into an upward spiral. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.